First prize is okay.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello guys,
Hey.
welcome back to my channel. Ka channel kalau lom vek chawa into giveaway ka tunge share tamber ka kanti doni. So today we're gonna do who has the most higher sharing our channel. The main reason we are doing sharing is not because of we want them to subscribe. I just want to see their effort from our viewers, you know. So subscriber neitam ro ta hangkam boy lawa ma se in forte kan channel tin law ngai luzia kan share du wang so ka ron ti tir so kaniti karon soi du so hey, this my husband kampanen announcement currently Tony, who do you think the winner?
I know the winner already.
What did we do? Like
We counted
most like all day, right?
lots of counting. You guys did so good.
We were really tired counting.
Yeah.
It's a lot of messages in WhatsApp, in what do you call Instagram, everywhere. So okay. Shall we do it from number one, or shall we do it from consolation prize, or
Yeah, let's do number one.
okay, before that I'm gonna talk about how things are and what the money they're gonna get. Okay, number one na katuanin pakat na atitamber kanin sang kat Indian rupees mo 1,000 rupees dong don ni so for the winner. And then second na patni na chuanin Zariat 800 rupees a prize tour niya chuanin. Third place na chuanin 500 rupees zanga dong don chong consolation prize mi pangatan kantia. I was saying to them that last time when I post in community, consolation prize will be like for 5, but I decided to do it for 6 people. Mi pangatan ka tinangin paruktan karon ti dona at hanso consolation prize ka and law an share kain ang veka zaka antling law atling daw velea mi za vela han share kang hau tang han za te kan pe bok do ni chu atam tham lo nang in top up te na wifi ni lo ta na mobile data in lo thun the na kan te for I want to do consolation prize because there are people who don't have wifi at their home, so at least we can give them $100 so they can buy mobile data for them to watch us again, you know. So first prize is okay, start baby.
Lao Mi Guite.
Lomi Guite Ramthar. Oh, this is the place name. Chuanin first prize kan in sangkhat 1,000 rupees dong dona. I kanu number contact ka kalau da dona heta description ha contact number kalau da dona in love contact vek donya. Oh, in lo in bianga rem chan anga inkal thero ni pon Gpay ten mo kha in lo in bedonya. Oh, chuanin second prize baby, you need to say the second prize.
Jenny.
Lalmal
Lalmal.
Somi. Easy for you, right? It will be
Somi.
one for our kids.
Yeah.
Ramhlun. Jenny Lalmal Somi Ramhlun ka. Ani boka. Ani ka. The price will be 800. A price ka Zariat ni. Sumo. Chuanin patni na ni chu in chunga van lom tak in share nem box ya an share zat kha kan ron soi kher lo me nga chan chu kan pa hen tu la tivak lo ni chu mo I chuanin atam lo to kan ni chu zanga pel de iflom vel ni chu chuanin pathum na number 3.
The third place. Song Bahi.
Sang Boyi
Boyi.
Namte
Namte.
Tenzol Veng Lunanya. This is one of the village, so I'm so happy for her. And the third place pathum na hian in zanga 500 rupees. Okay, so that congratulations you guys. Kan lompuilo tukchawa. You want to say something for them? A three of them first.
Oh, it's amazing how many shares that you guys did. It took a while to count, but it was good to see.
Kan siar we count like whole like half day of Sunday. Kan siar atam to ka chen chuan in share shim midang whoever share we are really appreciate.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter it has to be above 1,000 or whatever, but we still appreciate. Kan ti chan ber hi chu we want to see your effort in afford mo kan ma ni channel in ngai hlu zia kan entir du nan give away hi chu kan ti me ni mo kha I subscriber a kha chuan kam buai ne em po ni to chuang lo ni chu tu na chuan mo chuan next a chuan consolation prize hi paru kan om kan ti kha panga ka tiang ka tem ase paru kan om tlat tun chum chu mo consolation prize we're gonna start from here, okay? Yeah, this one and this one, okay?
Is that
Van
Vanol
Lal-
Mao Pui?
Van Lal Moi Pui Bunkon
Bunkon.
Vengter
Vengter.
O kha cheng za te kan pe don ang hau kha in top up te in lo thun na tur tang mo kan YouTube channel lo en na tur tang vel khan ni kan du wang khanin I top up man tur shim in lo TV shim wang kan lom zia en tir nan quarantine 100 rupees we just gonna do it because I'm so grateful for their effort. It's not a big amount, but of course they can spend it for doing top up for their phone and have on internet. Do you think it's a good idea? Kapapoy la siya big vak mi alaw niya ma chon siya thaw nangin hi consolation prize vel tur po halaw siya big chong law ta chuanin kha next two
That James?
Thang Rao Lian.
Tang Rolian.
Kan lom pui tuk che kha consolation prize thao za chuanin next one is you can try to read
Is it JC?
Joycey
Joycey.
LK Vom.
LK
I'm not sure am I pronouncing right or wrong. Joycey kamo in law ka contact number in law in miron be may ula amante ho khanin miron shiro chuanin in law in biak dan tur kan so yang kha no pong kanu number karon da in law bidon nya chuanin Joycey po consolation prize chuanin next one is Gracie Lalmuan Kimi
Lalmuan Kimi?
Sipir.
Sipir.
Yeah, that's where she live. Yeah, kapo consolation prize niya kan ban lom pui tak chau chuanin consolation prize dang le chu
Lal
mangai tluangi lal mangai tluangi
Klongi?
yeah kanan is where she live.
Yeah.
Kapo ka consolation prize za thao kan ban lom pui tak alas na chu ato ber na consolation prize dong le tur pakhat chu Wendy Marwati kha ani boka Wendy Marwati also is one of the consolation prize. So consolation prize hammi parukan ne kan lom pui vek chewa in effort le kan channel ta na in tang kai ze kan lom ma chuan helai ron submit lo te po lo share kan channel te lo hlut tu in kan loma. There are many people who even share but didn't even send us. They don't want to be a part of like the prize because they just want to do because they love us.
Yeah.
There are people that so you want to say something for them.
We appreciate it. So thank you so much.
Kampa khanin inge I kashilfia in channel kha hemi competition tel kherlo pon share shima I ron tv kherlo te in omti te kashila kan lom lo to kani in chunga khana ti ni mo chuanin vo ina tan chong kan du tok lo nga I kan rom bye bye le fa tang cho bye bye request to kan siam le fa tanga next month we probably gonna do bye again because every month I wanted to do for them because they want to say their name and their whole family watching us in TV and all, and then also I wanted to do for them what do you call happy birthday every month on our anniversary. So I want to thank to you for giving doing this effort YouTube with me.
Yeah.
Because because my husband is working really hard every day, so when he come home it's hard for him to be like doing YouTube and all, but he just support me, and that's how he show his support to me. So I just want to say thank you to you for supporting me, okay?
Oh, yeah, it's a pleasure.
Kampa bula lom thu ka soi zoi ni khamin support na song song a heta ni leng in na thokata min rom pui hi lom omlo to katan so ani lom thu kan soi kha. Okay, we're gonna say bye to them. Bye
Hey,
bye.
bye-bye.
We'll see you next time, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.
Have a blessed day.
Blessed day.